welcome back to my channel. My name is JackieSevila. If you're new to my channel, just want to say hi. I hope you guys did enjoy that last video. I do plan on recording a whole lot of videos. I actually got, let me show you guys. I recently got a new camera on TikTok shop. I'll definitely do a review on it. I did kind of like a review on TikTok. So if you're not following me, my TikTok will be listed down below. But I got this new camera. It was like $60. Yes, I got a new camera. This camera is for vlogging, and it takes pictures. If you want a review, I'll be happy to do it down below. But yeah, I just want to show you guys. I did get a new camera. I won't replace my other camera. This one is so easy to take with me when I'm vlogging or when I go to concerts. There's a lot of vacation plans that me and my man have or my family have. So I would definitely be taking this with me. It does have a flip screen. And let me take this out. I don't want to break it. So that's what the camera looks like. I don't want to blind you guys. And I'll be happy to do a review. If you did buy this camera, I'm still testing it out. I would like to get a tripod, like a smaller tripod. I think I have one right here or somewhere around there. So yeah, I love it. But that's not today's video. Let's go put this here. I hope you guys are doing good. I am doing really, really good now. I'm doing better, you know. I had my days. But yeah, there's a lot to update you, but that's not today's video. I'm actually going to record a video today of me and my man cooking. That video was supposed to be recorded. Well, it's actually recorded. The video was made in January, and I forgot to do the intro. So yeah, this is the intro. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. I will try my best to link the women's video that we saw, because we're not that great at cooking, but you know, we will get to it. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy, and thank you guys so much for watching. Hey everyone, so in this video I'm actually going to be showing you guys what me and my man cook. It's actually lasagna. I don't remember the full recipe, but I would definitely link it down below. There's not really much talking. I'm showing you guys the ingredients here. You need Prego, Parmesan cheese, cottage cheese, mozzarella, pasta, of course. And then this clip, you need
we put our ground meat
beef.
in. Hold on.
So we did season it, do not worry.
Really
But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video, and definitely let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. I hope y'all enjoy.
And we're gonna boil the pasta. So I know it's still cooking, and we're gonna drain it. So yeah. After that, after we cook our ground meat, I'm doing it with one hand. We're gonna drain out the meat. If that makes sense, y'all. And then we put it back in, right, babe?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, after we do that, we're gonna put it back in here. Try it. There we go. And we're just broiling our pasta. We're still waiting. I'm gonna put this on a little bit high. And yeah, this is our, I think, third time cooking or something. So we drained our pasta. I'm just making sure it's like cut up. And I'm going to watch, we're going to watch a video on how to do it. But yeah, I'm gonna put it on high again, a little bit, not too much. And we're gonna add, let me put that there, it's fine. We're gonna add the diced tomatoes in here. Because we're making that like lasagna. There's nothing in there. Oh, lasagna soup. I'm gonna add Italian sausage and garlic. So we're gonna put that in there, all of it. Okay, hold on.
This is what it looks like, guys. We're still waiting for the pasta to boil. That does take a while. So I'm gonna have my little helper over here help me with the seasoning and the chicken broth. So I'm just gonna turn this on a little.
I thought she said 4 cups, babe.
Yeah.
Oh, we're doing that right.
Right. So that's first. I mean, that's 1 cup. That's 2nd cup. And we're just waiting for our 4th cup. Okay. So we got 4 cups chicken broth, y'all. Did they say to like just simmer or simmer for 15, 20 minutes?
Yes, baby, we gotta put some seasoning.
Okay. Go ahead, man.
I'm putting on.
Salt, of course, to taste.
You don't put too much.
Pepper. And I think that's onion powder.
We finally put our pasta in. We're gonna let it cook. We're gonna let it simmer. And this is what ours look like. We didn't show the process of cutting it, but you just, hold on, cut it into squares. Like this. My hands are clean, don't worry. We did mess up on some parts. We have leftover pasta right there. And then we have this cooking on very low. Oh, hold on. Yeah. We have that cooking very, very low. So next, I have to wait for my boyfriend to come over here because we're gonna do it together. There we go. Yeah, we're just, hold on. I will try to link the video down below, but you just cut it into squares. Yeah, pretty much. You know, like that. And then we're gonna put this. There's more, but I'll just show you guys for example. I'm recording, babe, but I'm not gonna show you. Yeah, you just cut it like this. I can't do it with one hand. You just cut it like that. Clearly, if you have 2 hands, it'll be better, but it's fine. And then you're gonna cut it like this.
So we got the pasta here. We're gonna put it in here. This looks like a whole lot of pasta.
You think we probably need to stop it? A bit.
No, because we're gonna have leftovers for tomorrow.
Okay, babe.
What do you think?
I think we good. Maybe just a few more. I think we good, babe.
Okay. Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thick enough?
Yeah.
So, I don't know why it's not thick enough.
I know, you're
He
good.
got
though.
me.
That's what it looks like. And it should have been more thicker, but it's fine. We're gonna eat it good. And then he's putting Parmesan cheese on top. Yeah, we're gonna let it cook for maybe a few minutes. This is what it looks like. We added cheese, of course, very little on mine.
It's the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoy. Definitely let me know what kind of videos you would like to see from me and my man. I did want to say me and my man, his name is Jermaine. So Jackie and Jermaine, that's so cute. Anyway, me and him decide to, we have been talking about it. Me and my man have been talking about it. And we might make a YouTube channel together. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see for our first video suggestions. We might make fashion videos, cooking, I don't know what else, travel vlogs maybe. He might make, we'll make a YouTube channel together. Definitely let me know if you guys would like to see more of him down below. And yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you guys again in my next video.